Hello everyone, welcome back to Sheikh Jabin channel. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. I have published my articles on Medium. You know what is meant by Medium? Medium is an important app where we can get important news and information through reading articles. I have published my 2 articles on Medium. Article links are available for you in below description. To follow me on Medium, you please refer that descriptions link. Okay, in this video I am going to explain you the chapter of physics of inter first year. Inter first year. Name of the chapter is Physical World. Okay, it's one of an easiest chapter and also one of the important chapter regarding inter first year physics. In this chapter we are going to learn 5 concepts. The first concept we are going to learn in this chapter is what is meant by physics. What you mean how you define the word of physics. Okay, one of the important accepted topic from that chapter. And the second topic is what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? What its contribution? How he succeeded in the discovery of his effect. Okay, this is the second topic. And the third topic we are going to learn here is what are the conditions of symmetry and asymmetry. What are the examples of symmetry and asymmetry? Important topic regarding this physical world chapter. Symmetry and asymmetry. Okay, do you understand? I will give you a brief notes about this. Okay, and the fourth topic we are going to learn in this chapter is what is the contribution of Chandrasekhar? What its contribution? Okay, this is the most accepted and one of the expected and one of the important topic from physical world chapter. And the fifth topic we learn in this chapter is what are the fundamental forces that are there on our nature. Okay, these are the 5 topics which we are going to read now. Okay, the first topic that I want to explain you now is what is meant by physics. How you define physics. Please define the word physics in your own words. They can give question like this. Then you can answer. Physics deals with the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation in different phenomena, in different laws of nature. Okay, physics deals with the study of basic laws of nature and their manifestation and their arrangement in different phenomena, in different contexts. You can write this also in your own words. You can define in your own words also. And their manifestation in different phenomena and in different contents. Okay, this is called as physics. And what are the basic laws of the physics phenomena? Okay, physics deals with the study of basic laws of the nature and their manifestation in different phenomena. What are the basic laws of the physics means? They are universal. They can apply through all universe and they are applied in widely different contexts. Okay, the basic laws of the physics are universal and they are applied in widely different contexts and widely different phenomena. Okay, hope you understand the term of physics, widely different contexts and widely different phenomena. Okay, physics deals with the study of basic laws of the nature and their manifestation in different phenomena. And what are the basic laws of the physics means? The basic laws of the physics are universal and they are applied in widely different contexts and widely different phenomena. This is one of the important topic from physical world chapter. Question given by them is you just define the word called physics. In this way they can ask you question. You can define the word or the term physics in your own words. And the second topic we are going to learn in this physical world chapter is what is the discovery of C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman is a well-known scientist. Even though small children who are studying first and second year classes also know who is C.V. Raman and what is its contribution to this world. Okay, C.V. Raman. So C.V. Raman discovered a Raman effect. You know what is meant by Raman effect? Raman effect means scattering of light by water molecules. The phenomena of scattering of light by the water molecules is called as Raman effect. C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. Raman effect means scattering of light. Scattering of light by water molecules. Scattering of light by water molecules called as Raman effect. Scattering of light by water molecules called as Raman effect. This is called as Raman effect. C.V. Raman discovered a Raman effect, and the scattering of light. C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect. Scattering of light by the water molecules called as Raman effect. Okay, and the third topic we are going to learn in this physical world chapter is what are the conditions of symmetry and asymmetry. Symmetry and asymmetry. What are the examples of symmetry and asymmetry? I'll give you two examples, and among the two examples you can know which is symmetry and which is asymmetry. The first example I want to give you is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is symmetry or asymmetry? Acceleration due to gravity is an asymmetric condition. Okay, write the example of asymmetry. They can ask you. Acceleration due to gravity is an asymmetry. Okay, and the second one is law of gravitation. Law of gravitation is an symmetry. Okay, hope you understand. Law of gravitation is symmetry. Acceleration due to gravity is asymmetry. Law of gravitation is a symmetry. Okay, we have learnt three topics from physical world chapter. What are those? What is meant by physics? What are the discovery of the C.V. Raman? What he discovered? And what are the conditions of symmetry and asymmetry? We can also see that examples. And the fourth topic we are going to learn in this chapter is what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar limit. One of the most important topic regarding this physical world chapter. Contribution of S. Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar limit explains about the structure and evolution of stars. It can explain about the structure and also evolution of stars. He can explain that limit was explained by the structure and evolution of stars. Okay, it is one of the biggest unit. This Chandrasekhar limit is considered as one of the biggest unit. Okay, one of the biggest unit. It can explain about the structure and evolution of the stars. One Chandrasekhar limit. One Chandrasekhar limit is equals to 1.4 times of the mass of the sun. 1.4 times of the mass of sun. Okay, this is the contribution of Chandrasekhar limit. It can explain about the structure and evolution of stars, and it can equals to 1.4 times of mass of the sun. Okay, Chandrasekhar limit is one of the biggest unit. It can explain about the structure and evolution of stars. One Chandrasekhar limit is equals to 1.4 times of the mass of the sun. Okay, the last topic and the fifth topic regarding this physical world chapter is what are the fundamental forces there on our nature. Fundamental forces. Fundamental forces there on our nature. Okay, there are four fundamental forces that are there on our nature. The number one, we already know. We can know all about forces. That force is only called as fundamental forces. The first force is a gravitational force. Gravitational force, we can know about this. We have learnt in our previous classes. And electromagnetic force. Gravitational force, electromagnetic force. Okay, there are four fundamental forces which is on our nature: gravitational force and electromagnetic force. and 3 and 4th one is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear, which was combined as strong, and 4th one is weak nuclear force. Okay, these are the 4 fundamental forces there on our nature. This chapter only called as physical welch. Okay, we have learned 5 topics from this chapter. What are those? What is meant by physics? What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? What are the following of symmetry and asymmetry? What is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar? Limit in physics? What are the fundamental forces that are in our nature? We can learn the 4 topics. Okay, we can learn the 5 topics, and we cover this chapter. Name of the chapter is physical world. For handwritten notes, please comment me below and contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, physical welch. Thank you so much for your support. Keep on watching my channel. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, then you will get all notifications. Okay, for handwritten notes, if you want handwritten notes of this physical world chapter, comment me in below comment box, or you can contact me through my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 8978238311. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 8978238311. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can post your doubts in comment box, or you are free to contact me with this WhatsApp number. Only for the clarification of doubts you can contact me. My contact number is 8978238311. Okay friends, keep on watching my channel. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is possible for you to follow me on both YouTube and also Medium. I can explain you in before starting of this video. Medium is an important app where we can get important information through reading articles. Through articles we can get important information on Medium. I have published my 2 articles on Medium. The first article that I have published on my Medium is tips to prevent coronavirus transmission from one to another. And the second topic and the second article that I have published on my Medium is on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, the greatness of Bapuji is explained on that article. Article links are available for you in below description. Okay, keep on watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, then you get all notifications. You please share my videos with your friends, relatives, family members, etc., because spreading education is an important task in the developing of the nation. So please share my videos with your friends, relatives, family members, etc. Keep on watching my channel. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoy my class. Thank you so much for your support, who have been supporting me in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Keep on watching my channels. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Article links are available for you in below description. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please comment me, or you can free to contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Keep on watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Bye guys. I'll be back with you within a new video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. All the best for your bright future. Bye guys. We'll meet you on next video. Keep on watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.